everybody, day 11 in my journey. If this is the first time you're joining me, my goal is to lose 20 pounds. I started out at 191.6 and I'm currently sitting at 188 pounds. Now the lowest I got was 187.6, but I'm gonna go up and down occasionally. As we've seen so far along this 10-day journey, that's completely normal. So my goal is 171 pounds, which means I've got, well, 17 pounds to lose. If you want to start from the beginning of my journey, go ahead and click the link above and that'll take you to my first video so you can see day 1 of my journey, and then subscribe or hit that like button as well to continue to see the rest of this journey so you don't miss any videos. I also have a couple other videos that I'm going to be posting related to my tech reviews. I have a couple product reviews I'm doing as well. So this section of my videos is a little outside of the norm. I don't typically do health videos, but for the sake of my own body and my own health, I decided I was going to start doing that kind of video. Now this morning I woke up at 4:30 to my alarm, on time this time, and I looked at my Athletic app. I did breathing, or the mindfulness app on here, to trigger the Athletic heart rate variability reading. And initially it was like 13% recovery, and I was like, well, I guess I'm going to go back to sleep. Well, when I woke up at 6:20 and I looked at it again, it had refreshed, and this time it said I was 74% recovered, so kicking myself there. But after reading the information, it said that I didn't sleep well, which I didn't sleep that great. So I'll agree with that statement. I didn't sleep well, and because of that, even though my recovery is up a little bit, Athletic recommends that I take it light today. I walk or do some yoga. Now I am a little stiff from lifting. You know, getting into this whole lifting process, my body does typically get really tight really fast, and it takes a little bit of time for me to get in the groove. What I'm gonna do today is probably go ahead and take that suggestion and try some yoga. Now, Apple Fitness Plus has a lot of yoga options, and I'll put that on the screen over here. You can see they have a whole list of yoga, tons and tons of options with a lot of different objectives. So we're gonna try that out today. Heading home. All right, so based on Athletic's recommendations, I'm gonna go ahead and do a yoga exercise using the Apple Fitness Plus. All right, so quick recap on my day. I did my yoga, as I said I would, with Apple Fitness Plus, and that actually was something I really needed. Clearly needed some stretching. I will be at an 800 calorie deficit today, so I'm staying consistent with my goal, and I'll put that information right here for you to see. My other goal for tonight is to get some good rest and hopefully hit the gym in the morning, get that recovery a little higher. I was, like I said, high on the recovery today, but because I didn't sleep well last night, I ended up taking it a little easier today, easier than I wanted. I had the option to eat pizza, but I didn't. I kept my word and I did not eat pizza. I ended up eating fish instead, so that was a good alternative option. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. And like always, hit that like button. It really helps me out, and subscribe to the channel so you can see further videos coming up soon. Thank you, guys.